Okay. So before you can figure out how to factor, you need to understand how to find multiples and how things add up to them. For instance, we'll just start with basic. Number is 8. If the number is 8, what are multiples of positive 8? So 1, 8. And then what's the sum? What's 1 plus 8? 9. Sum means to add. What's another factor of 8? 2, 4, which would be 6. What's another factor of positive 8? Nope, 0 times anything, 0. Negative 1 and negative 8. Negative 1 times negative 8 is 8. So what does that add up to? Negative 9, thank you. And then what would be the last factor? And that would add up to? The reason you need to understand how to do factors, which I'm going to talk about here in a second, if you had, for instance, x squared plus 6x plus 8. 8 would be the number that you were looking at, and you're going to try to find the factors that add up to 6. Which row would you be using? The first, second, third, or fourth row, if it has to add up to 6. The second row, right? Because 2 and 4 add up to 6. Does everybody see that? So then it would turn into x plus 2 and x plus 4. That's what you're learning today, but first we're just going to do factors. No, I just want you to put that down for number 1. You don't need to write that down for each question. I'm going to do one more with you, number 8. So everybody hop down to number 8. What are factors of negative 14? Good. 1 and negative 14, which gives you negative 13. What's another factor? Good. 2 and negative 7, which is awesome. And then what is another factor? Yep, negative 1 and 14, which added together would make positive 13. Yep, positive 13. And then what's your last factor? Negative 2 and 7. And what's the sum? Do you understand the name of the game here? Okay, I'm going to give you plenty of time before I teach you the actual lesson to finish this with your group.